Hey there, Caitlin here, SnapEd Nutrition Educator in Waldo County, Maine. I've got another quick and warming one for you today. We're making a veggie chowder. So I'm going to take all these ingredients, a couple cans of corn, some potatoes, and I just had some cabbage left over. You can add whatever you want to this. You could add carrots, you could add whatever. You'll see the link for the recipe in the description box below. Included ham. I didn't have any ham, so I just kept this one vegetarian. You can mix it up and play with it however you want. So we're going to add those potatoes to a big pot. And then we're going to add enough water just to cover them. And we're going to turn it on high and bring it up to a boil. Then once that's boiling and simmering and the potatoes start to get soft, you can see the water gets starchy, we're going to add our corn. So I have 1 can of whole kernel corn and then 1 can of cream corn. This really helps thicken up the texture of the chowder as well. But like I said, use whatever you have. Then I'm going to add the cabbage. Once everything's all added, I'm going to stir it together, see what we're working with for liquid. It looks like we're going to need some more just to make sure that that cabbage gets nice and soft. So I'm going to go ahead and add about 2 cups of milk. Again, I just eyeballed this, and I use whole milk because that's what we keep around for my toddler, but you can use whatever you want. Skim milk will definitely bring down the calories, the overall calories in the dish. You could use a nut milk if you wanted to keep it dairy-free. Like always, make it your own. Then we're just going to give that a good stir and let it come up to a simmer. We're looking for the potatoes to be real soft, like real mushy. They're going to thicken up that chowder a lot. And we want the cabbage to still be like viable. We still want it to be visible and whole cabbage, not total mush, but we want it to be nice and soft, like soupy texture. And after about 20 minutes simmering on the stove, there you have it. I left the skin on the potatoes so you can see that, adding lots of fiber and vitamins. You can see that the cabbage got pretty vibrant and green. That corn is all through it, lots of veggies. And oh my gosh, you guys, this one was so good. Stay safe out there, wash your hands, don't forget to have fun with it. Thank you so much for watching. Quick shout out to Waldo County Bounty and the Belfast Soup Kitchen who are doing food box pickups at Mount View School Complex on March 5th. By the time this video comes out, that one might have already happened, but there's still one happening at the Athena Health Complex on March 19th from 9 to noon. Don't forget to head to mainsnapad.org for more.